Hey, what's up car enthusiasts, and welcome back to Car Trend, the place where we bring you the latest, hottest, and most exciting news from the automotive world. Today, we're diving deep into a legend reborn, the 2026 Chevy Chevelle SS. Yes, you heard that right, one of the most iconic muscle cars in history has made its grand return, and it's back with more power, style, and technology than ever before. This isn't just a car, it's a revival of pure American muscle wrapped in modern innovation. The Chevy Chevelle SS was one of the most legendary names in the golden era of muscle cars, dominating the streets in the late 60s and early 70s with raw V8 power and aggressive looks. Fast forward to 2026, and Chevrolet has decided to reintroduce this beast to a whole new generation. And trust me, it's not just about nostalgia. This car is built to perform, excite, and challenge even the modern sports cars on the market today. Under the hood, the new Chevelle SS doesn't disappoint. Chevrolet is offering multiple engine configurations, starting with a turbocharged V6 for those who want efficiency paired with performance, and going all the way up to a monstrous supercharged 6.2-liter V8 that produces over 650 horsepower. That's right, raw muscle power is alive and well. Paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission for the purists or a lightning-fast 10-speed automatic, this car is engineered for both traditionalists and modern drivers alike. But the 2026 Chevelle SS isn't just about power. Chevy has poured advanced technology into this muscle car, making it as modern as it is powerful. The interior is driver-focused, with a fully digital instrument cluster, a massive infotainment screen powered by Chevrolet's latest software, and advanced connectivity features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even built-in 5G capability. This is a muscle car that doesn't force you to choose between raw power and modern comfort. You get the best of both worlds. Design-wise, the 2026 Chevelle SS is a perfect blend of retro styling cues with modern aerodynamics. The wide stance, aggressive front grille, muscular hood lines, and bold LED headlights all scream classic Chevelle, but with a futuristic twist. The rear of the car is equally stunning, featuring quad exhaust tips, sharp LED taillights, and an optional spoiler that adds even more aggression. You can tell Chevrolet wanted this car to stand out not just as a performer, but as a design statement that pays homage to its roots. Performance on the road is where the Chevelle SS really shines. With launch control, adaptive suspension, and multiple drive modes, the car adapts to your driving style. Want to cruise down the highway in comfort? Switch to touring mode. Want to tear up the track or the drag strip? Engage sport or track mode and let the beast roar. Chevrolet has engineered this machine to give you confidence behind the wheel, no matter where you're driving it. Safety hasn't been forgotten either. Advanced driver assistance features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning are all available. So, while you're enjoying that incredible performance, you can still feel secure knowing Chevy has your back with the latest safety tech. The 2026 Chevy Chevelle SS isn't just a car, it's a symbol. It's a statement that American muscle cars are not only still alive but thriving in the modern age. Whether you're a longtime fan of the Chevelle or someone experiencing this icon for the first time, this car is guaranteed to leave an impression. And there you have it, car lovers, the rebirth of a legend. The 2026 Chevy Chevelle SS brings history, power, and modern technology into one jaw-dropping package. Stay tuned to Car Trend, because we'll be covering more about pricing, trim levels, and availability as details are released. If you're excited about the Chevelle's return, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment below on what engine option you'd go for, and don't forget to subscribe to Car Trend for more reviews, news, and updates from the world of cars. This is one ride you won't want to miss.